Hi, Liam Sturman here from Camber Marine. We have another project to show you today. Humphree Interceptors and fins on a Princess S65.
Hi, I'm James from Total Marine, and we've just completed a Humphree fin and interceptor install on this Princess S65. We have removed the side power vector fins and installed the Humphree all-speed fin and interceptor system. The Humphree system is a fully electronic system run by lithium batteries. It is a carbon fibre fin, and as a retrofit or even a factory fit, the fin is made so we can adapt the top, this top edge to be customised to be able to be cut and be out the way of any obstructions, through hole fittings, chimes. As you can see here, it is cut to shape. One of the main benefits of the Humphree fin system is at zero speed, the fin will work at when you are on a bow anchor, it will turn 180 degrees, and then the fin will work along with the anchor, and rather than create what other fins do is a anchor walk, this prevents it, and it works along with the anchor and pulls it away. So the fin will now work this way when it is at bow anchor, and stop any anchor walk. The boat will move along with other boats as it should. The system that we fitted, the fins are a 1 meter square system, and the interceptors are a HE 950 or 950 model. The E is for the extended. Humphree do many sizes of interceptor. In this case, because of obstructions like the platform, we fitted an extended interceptor, which gives you a lot more travel on the interceptor and more lift.
Seen how compact our system is, how much space we need. Let's have a look at the old system, how much space that took up. Hey, quite a lot of stuff here.
This is the massive stuff we have removed. So we removed the side power vector system. As you can see, apart from the Humphree system, it's a very simple thin cable box. This system is there's hydraulics, there's cabling, there's converter boxes, so we have also cut down on a lot of weight.
That's the sea trial finished. Let's take a look at the interior. There's several reasons the client opted for Humphree. One of them we already discussed, it's compact. The next two would be low noise and low consumption. To follow through with them last two, we've opted for a Mastervolt battery source. A kit consisting of the Mastervolt lithium charger, lithium batteries, and of course, here we have the Mastervolt panel connected to the electronic box. Instead of having the system dispersed in the engine room, we've wanted to put it all in one electronic box, so it's easier access for the client and of course a lot safer. So as you can see, we don't have a lot of space in this engine room. We have massive V12 engines, we have a huge generator behind me. You're asking where is the Humphree system, how we fitted it in. Well, it's very compact. The servo motor only weighs approximately 100 kilograms, so we can basically twist and turn it and get it in any position we like. That's why Humphree is the most retrofitted product in the market. Total Marine have done an excellent job here. So all you had to do is they slightly lifted the fuel tanks up, they put the servo on the side, lowered it down, and Bob's your uncle, there it is. So that's it folks. Thanks for watching. That was another great Humphree project, and remember, don't hesitate to contact us if you want your boat to be next.